Hello, I saw your question here. You want to assume you got a random variable where x is normally distributed with a mean of 88 and standard deviation of 5. Find p of x less than 86. Well, you have two options here. I guess you can do this by hand, and if you want to see it by hand, just email me, and you do it by hand and use a table in the book. Or you can use technology. Now, if you click on the lesson 5.2, you'll find videos on how to find this with both StatCrunch and the calculator. Over here, I'm just going to mention how to do it with StatCrunch. Again, if you want to see it by hand, just respond. I can't do this by hand with a table. So to do this with StatCrunch, probably the way the nicest way, you got a nice visual method. You click on Stat, then you go to under and calculators, and you choose the normal calculator. So Stat, calculator, and the normal calculator. And you enter the information here. You do have a between option, which this is not what we need. We just need the standard. You put in the mean, 88, and standard deviation 5. Then we want it for less than or equal to 86. And you just click compute, you see, and it gives you the answer. Which goes here, and you round appropriately. It even gives you a nice picture, which I like about StatCrunch. Here's the mean, and we're talking about 86. We're talking about this area here. Is roughly 0.3446. Total area under the normal curve is 1, and this is a little over 34% of that area, found using StatCrunch. Hope this helps.